What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen size in Battlefield 6. If you wanna adjust the screen size, there are actually 3 different ways to do it. First, open the settings menu and go to the graphics section. Here you will find the camera settings. You can change the field of view. This basically controls how much you can see in the game. For example, if you set it to 80, you will see a smaller area, but if you increase it to 120, you will get a much wider view of the battlefield. It's a really useful option, especially if you wanna spot enemies more easily. You can also adjust the field of view for vehicles in third-person mode. Just scroll down a bit in the same menu and you'll find that option too. Another thing you can change here is the aspect ratio. This affects the overall screen size and also impacts your resolution. So in short, you can modify the aspect ratio, resolution and field of view depending on how you want your screen to look. That's all you need to know for adjusting your screen settings in Battlefield 6. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.